Hello everyone, welcomes to my channel Everything PS. This tutorial is the second one in the course of Davinci Resolve 16. The first tutorial was about how to download and install the software. If you did not watch it yet, go and watch it first if you do not have the software. You will find the link to the video in the description. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you the interface of the software and how to import files to it. Stay tuned. First, go to your computer and open the program. This is the icon for the program, click on it, double click. Now the program starts to open like this. After the program opens, this window appears. There are projects that you have previously opened on a program. These are projects I have opened on the program previously. You can make a new project. You can create a new folder. Also, you can open any project you have on the device. If you want to organize your works, you create a new folder. Name it whatever you want. Then click Create. We have created a new folder. You can drag any project and place it inside the folder. So what is the difference between the new project and the new folder? In the folder, at the top there is a tab with a number. This number equals the number of projects directed within this folder. We will notify the number change at the top of the folder. This is a folder that contains one project, and this folder does not contain any project. To be able to enter any folder, you have to double-click on it. This path you are in. You can return to the main menu by clicking on this path. Let's enter the folder again. Here inside the folder, you can create a new folder as well. And now I'm going to do a new project. Click on New Project. Name it Test. Then click Create. Immediately, he opens a new project called Test. This is the Davinci Resolve interface. The interface is similar to the interface of the most known video editing software. The difference here in the windows is at the bottom. There is a tab for media. Another tab for cutting. This tab is an edit to work on videos. This is Tab Fusion, and this tab is considered a replacement for the Adobe After Effects program within the Davinci Resolve program. These are repented for color correction and modification. The Davinci program is considered one of the strongest programs in color correction and modification. This is a tab Fairlight, which is equivalent to the Adobe Audition program, and it is a tab that you can work on combining sounds and modifying them. This is Deliver tab, which is special for exporting and final video output. You can export the video in any format you want. Also, you can export the project to Final Cut or Adobe Premiere program so that you can complete your work outside the Davinci Resolve program. Now we know the components of the Davinci Resolve program. Now let's see how we can import videos, audio, and pictures into the program. We go to the tab Media. There is the above media storage here, through which you can access the partitions on your device. You can enter folders and choose the files you want to work with. Also, you can add a new path to any place in the device by pressing right-click here and choosing to add a new location. Then choose the folder you want and then click on the select folder. Here a new path has been added to the folder you have chosen. Here there are videos, audio, and pictures. By clicking on any of these videos, preview shows you, and by editing the arrow on the video, you can see the video content. Now that we have set the path for the files that we will be working on, we want to place them in the media pool in order to start working. All you have to do is select all folders and drag and drop them here. In order for the files to be organized and tidy. You must drag the folders and place them inside the master. The program arranges the files in the master. Another way to import files is by dragging the files directly into the media pool. And if you want to delete any file that you do not want, all you have to do is select this file and then press delete from the keyboard. Here, by selecting any file, there are many options. The mixer for the audio files appears. And here there are metadata that you can show or hide by clicking on it. In metadata, there is all data related to video or audio, information such as format, frame rate, resolution, etc. From here, there are many options that can be enlarged and minimized for sketches of the thumbnails that appear on files. Also, through this icon, you can display files as thumbnails or as a list style. Through the list, there are much data about the files found in the media pool. By clicking here, right-click. This list appears where you can choose to show or hide the data you want. Also in setting the list, by clicking on these points and selecting Show Film Strip. By specifying any video you can see it in front of you. Here we are done today, wait a new tutorial coming in this course. I hope you enjoyed it. If the video was helpful for you to hit on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the bell button on so you don't miss the next videos. And if you have time to learn more, look at the old videos on the channel. See you in a new video soon. Goodbye.